This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play It's Your Love on guitar. We'll start by breaking down the fundamental elements you need to master this beautiful song. You'll discover the 4-core open chords and a simple strumming pattern that forms the backbone of the entire piece. Get ready to learn the techniques that will have you playing along in no time, making your guitar sing with this classic tune. Now, let's dive into the strumming pattern that gives It's Your Love its signature feel. The main pattern is a simple down-up motion. Focus on maintaining a steady rhythm, ensuring each strum is even and clear. Practicing with a metronome set to about 72 beats per minute will significantly help you develop precise timing and a consistent tempo for the entire song. Achieving smooth chord transitions is key to making It's Your Love sound great. Pay special attention to moving cleanly between the G and C chords and also from D to M. These are frequent changes, so practice them slowly until they feel natural. Understanding the song's structure, including its verses, choruses, and bridge, will also guide your playing and help you anticipate upcoming changes. To truly master It's Your Love, consistent practice is essential. Begin by playing at a very slow pace, focusing on accuracy, then gradually increase your speed. Listening intently to the original recording will help you internalize the song's feel and subtle nuances. Aim for 15 to 20 minutes of focused practice daily. This dedicated time will build muscle memory and confidence, allowing you to play beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.